Isuzu has just added a new light-duty tipper to its ready-to-work range, with this NMR 6150 Tri Tipper boasting increased payload and a 2-pedal option. Let's jump in and check it out. Introduced in August 2020, the NMR 6150 Tri Tipper essentially replaces the NLR 55150 Tri Tipper in Isuzu's ready-to-work range. The newcomer offers a payload increase of 500 kilos and is available with either a 5-speed manual or 6-speed automated manual transmission. And that 2-pedal option is bound to prove popular with operators on the hunt for drivers, while also helping to maximise the transmission service life. The Isuzu NMR 6150 Tri Tipper comes in a short wheelbase format. It's also available with a regular tipper body, along with short and medium wheelbase NMR cab chassis variants. The tipper body is a Japanese-sourced and fitted Shinmaiwa product that can tilt left, right or to the rear via the in-cab controls. Powering the show is Isuzu's proven 4JJ1 engine, a 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel that meets Euro 5 emission standards. It's no more difficult to drive than your average passenger car. And in fact, this NMR Tri Tipper is also available as a 45 150 with 4.5 tonne GVM, opening it up to car licence holders. There's appeal here for tradies stepping up from a ute, with the NMR Tri Tipper boasting far larger load area and generous payload limits. In these Tri Tipper models, that payload tops out at around 1,300 kilos for the NMR 45 150 and up to 2,800 kilos for the NMR 60 150. Isuzu says the maximum brake towing limit is an impressive 4.5 tonnes, provided gross combination mass limits are observed along with other legislated towing provisions. With over a tonne of sand on board, the ride is impressively civilised, helped in no small part by the NMR's independent front suspension. And in this narrow cab format, and with such compact dimensions, it's so easy to manoeuvre. Meanwhile, the available grunt is entirely sufficient, with maximum torque chiming in across a wide band from 1600 to 2800 RPM. The cab is utilitarian but practical, although it's not without its niceties. There's a multimedia unit with 6.2-inch colour touchscreen, digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity and voice commands. More importantly, vision is excellent. Cabin entry and exit are easy and it comes with a number of safety features. The list includes stability control, anti-lock brakes and 2 airbags, although, and unlike some rivals, there's still no sign of autonomous emergency braking or lane departure warning. That point aside, this Isuzu NMR 6150 AMT Tri Tipper bears all the hallmarks of why Isuzu has remained as Australia's top-selling truck brand for over 3 decades. It's a rugged and highly capable workhorse with a pedigree that instills confidence and a pragmatic list of features to get the job done. Add in the extra payload and the ease of the AMT, and this new NMR is sure to broaden the appeal of Isuzu's light-duty, ready-to-work tipper even further.